keep trying this until it works. Swear to God. I'm getting real thirsty too. Drinking ice water. How's this? How's this one? Show us. Lag? Any lag? Bleep, blorp, lag. I think it looks good. I think we're on. I think we're on. Low latency setting activated. Whatever. Let's do it. Let's fucking do anyways. Let's have a quick little look-ski. Cranking the volume a touch. There we go. Always a mission. Every week. Every week this is a mission. Sorry about the echo. We are live. I'm thirsty, full, just had a T-bone. T-bang, I went out for dinner. And now we're ready to rock and roll. So where are we? Sorry, this is like the 4th attempt. Dead set. Kid you not. Believe you me, I am ready to rock and roll already. I've been that ready to rock and roll since last week. Alright, I have absolutely no care or interest in the war in the East, war in the Middle East. But I thought I thought why not? Why not follow the theme? And if this offends you, sucks to be you, because it must be pretty easy to get offended. Offended over everything. I was also talking in the last stream that I just cancelled about the infrastructure. Infrastructure. It looks pretty normal there, doesn't it? Palestine. It's pretty normal over in Palestine. I think one thing that I noticed though is that those buildings look like they're just they didn't put much effort in the buildings, hey, because they're gonna get knocked down. Anyway, it was funny when I said it last time. Don't worry about it. What's going on is funny. We're looking at drink for me, so I need a whiskey. Hella thirsty. 1 to 7. Spin the wheel, same as every week. Got 7 whiskeys there, so let's see what I'm drinking. Let's go. Give me something good. A couple of shit ones, a couple of good ones. Five. Ooh, it's not bad. Glenlivet, mate. Don't mind me a Glenlivet. Do not mind me a Glenlivet. Let's go. Lucky number 5. Tasty. It's a good one. American Oak Selection. Scotch whiskey. Recommend. I haven't rated that one yet, but maybe 7 out of 10, I reckon. Probably give it a 7, I think. Cheers. Happy Friday, if you can see us. Like I said, I'm struggling with the tech here. Truly struggling with the tech. Everything's lagging, everything's fucking behind. Everyone's just shitting me off. Find a couple of good trades. And I'll get the spirits up. Don't you worry about that. Here we go. Budzi Badutsky. OBS is a streaming software. OBS. So I updated it, right? I updated it. Man, I'm shocking. I'm an absolute shocker. All right, fuck yeah, let's get into it. So what I'm going to do here is going to go through the group, little bit of news, look for any news or anything like that. Chasing some news, chasing something worth talking about. Crypto is pumping, crypto's mooning. There's a little bit of uncertainty in the market, which is good. That's what we want. If we want to go higher, if the market wants to go any higher or anything like that, we're going to need a little bit of uncertainty getting around. A little bit of uncertainty getting around, because when everybody's certain about one direction or certain about one thing, you know damn well what's going to happen. Not that. Oh my god, look at that. Previous price action. We draw this G-box. So the way that it works is it's for a range. You see that looks more like just an uptrend, yeah? But I'm telling you right now, I can draw, you give me a chart, I will draw a range out of it. We'll draw a range out of it happily. I'll happily draw a range out of it. So what I do with the G box is we've got like long entry, good long entry, excellent long entry, short entry, good short entry, excellent short entry. And look at that. Like, this was pre-drawn, and look where the short entry went to. Okay, so that's how fucking good this thing is. I didn't short it. Trading Bitcoin. Sometimes I'm not. So should have set a fucking order there. Should have set a short order there. Absolutely. And even this, bang. So what's Bitcoin doing? Let's talk about the market. Let's get in the market first. See what's going over in fucking Baghdad. And talk about the markets. Bulls, blockchain bulls, baby. You know how we go, how we roll. Yep, there's you can see here a little sneak peek, name drop. There's a trade going on at the moment. Just dropped, just hit the press. Talk about some news. Hopefully the music's not too loud, but I guess it's good for me. So what have we talked about since the last? When was a week ago? 10th. Just cruise through the news, have a little talk a bit of shit, have a bit of a laugh, and carry on like that. So back end shit going on right here, don't remember me. Enjoy the tunes. How do you here we go. So crypto, what's going on crypto? Crypto's fucking charging, bro. That's what's going on in crypto. Crypto's been going up all year. Crypto's had such a good year, and it's been a stealth year. It's a complete stealth bomber. When recession, bro. When recession, bro. Bruh. When recession, bruh. Look at how much money's getting around. Who's out? How many people do you know out of work? Couldn't even name a single fucking one. Everybody's working. Everyone's got a choice of where they're working. Not everybody. I mean, I don't know ya, but I'm talking Australia here. People have got work, mate. There's heaps of money getting around. The money that was put into the system is fucking stupid. You know, if you don't realize how hectic inflation got, go look at the M2 money supply. Trillions of dollars that were added over the 2020, 2021. And I was talking to Matt about this today. It's like, even low interest rates, high interest rates, either or, they, if you're in the right position, like most boomers, property owners on two houses, assets, even cash in the bank. So low interest, it's just this has basically been, if you're a boomer, or go over to, if you're you right now and you have boomer parents, like the 50, 60, 70, however old the boomers are, you walk over, Google it, I think it's 50s, 1950s to the 1970s, born in, go over and shake your boomer dad's hand, say, congrats, brother. You were born. You've just lived in the best era, financially, economically, resources, happiness, life, music, culture. You did it, mate. The lottery, you won the fucking genetic lottery. You run the time, the universal lottery. The time that you were born was the golden era in, how long is it? 500,000. How long has the Earth been around for? 500 million years, I think it is. Out of 500 million years, mate, of all the things that were born in that period, you fucking did it. Go walk over to your dad and say, you fucking did it, mate. You did it. You lived through the 70s, the 80s, the 90s. You had the best time, best music, best art, best culture. No TikTok, no bullshit, no social media. Everyone was connected, having a good time off their phones. You got to buy 2 houses at the age of 22. You done it, mate. Your house was the same as 3 years of your salary. You made 20 grand a year. You bought a house for 60. Like, now it's worth 2 mil, 5 mil, and you've got 3 of the cunts. Congrats, mate. I say, well done, Dad. Well done, mate. Should have had me earlier, but hey. And then you say, good work in the past and even good work in the present day. You say, inflation recently, 0%. All of the assets that you've already got, Dad, they just smooth. You know, your net worth just doubled, tripled in the last couple of years. Congrats, Dad. And guess what, Dad? Now that you don't have to pay a home loan anymore, you got all that money in the bank, interest rates are up. You're getting 5%, 6% on that $1 million that's sitting in your bank. So you've got that $1 million in your bank, mate, and you're getting 6% on that. You're getting 60 grand a year. Bank's paying you $1,000 a week to use your money as an interest rate to live off. Well done, pal. I can't say the same for my dad. He's financially illiterate. That's why we're overcompensating here. All right, so here we go. Take this family out of poverty. Where do we go from here? The news, mate. The news. Too excited. So, Sandbox. How many people are playing that? So Sandbox have a bit of news. They look like they're having fun, but not that much. Like, they probably know. Like, it's like fucking. Oh, well, that looks like sundown. So rave at 4, bombing at 6. Like, they know. They know that some shit's coming. That's the look I'm getting. That's the look on all their face. Like, they got other shit on their mind. This is 5 years ago too, so I can say whatever the fuck I want. Major updates in November on the altcoins. We're talking crypto here. So Injective obviously was 1741. That was already pumping to the moon. Mutable X, Alluvium beta launches. Like, it's all just shit, really. Peak bull market, this shit matters. But mainnet, testnet, Telegram bot, that's pretty good. Bounce option. Telegram bot, that's something I can get around. Alluvium, I've actually played that game at the crypto convention. It was good. It was good. I actually didn't mind. I wouldn't mind staying a little bit longer and playing it. That's how good it was. Just gonna check this stream in the chat, make sure that we're on. Streaming. I didn't really read today. I'm just that sick of this tech. I need to get a tech kit in. Who wants to make a bit of cash? Just take care of all the tech for me. All right. So what else we got? We got gold is dead money. So over the past, how long we talking, Sailor? Since August 2020. Yeah, because it's like been an asset inflation. Well, it's been an inflationary asset environment. No. It's been a non-inflationary asset. Well, it depends how you're talking about it, right? So inflationary assets are assets that do good in inflation, not gold. They've been killing it. But then like the repercussions of that, so like typically in an asset, in an inflationary environment, well, gold does good, but assets are inflating, not gold. The assets do good. Gold does shit, as you can see from here, since 2020. So according to Michael Saylor, gold is dead, mate. I'd have to agree. I would have to agree. I like gold, but I'm not fucking really holding any. I'm not really barely. Because what's it doing for you? It's just like Bitcoin will do it better. Seriously. Bitcoin will do it better. So what else is doing? Tron. If you send an USDT around, use Tron. Fraction of the price. Bitcoin miners and Bitcoin mining stocks are fucking killing it, bro. They're fucking killing it. Bitcoin stocks and Bitcoin mining stocks killing it, making bulk cash like never seen before. Nobody's selling Bitcoin. Bitcoin a liquid supply. I've talked about that a fair few times. Illiquid supply is just reaching high after high after high. Everybody wants to buy Bitcoin now, but nobody wants to sell it. Inflation, that's a scam. I don't believe anything, but you could always, I mean, like, the only thing that matters is what they do, not what they say. What they say has an impact on what they do, but not always, and that's where people get it twisted. What they've done, what they're doing, is they're pausing rates, they're rising rates. That's it. No cuts yet. No cuts yet. People will say that pause is a cut. Raul Pal, I think he says that. Pause is a cut. He could be right the long term, but so far, haven't seen it. Haven't seen that yet. So obviously he knows a lot more about the macro than I do, but Bitcoin under management by exchange. Bro, the market's so bullish. And the price action's just paused. So that's fucking good. I've been so, you know, shout out to you, Paulie. Legend. I have learnt something over these years, something serious, something important, is that don't top time. You know, if you just don't top time, so don't try and guess the top, don't try and pick the top. So if you're not, so what's the anterior of that? If you're not picking the top, then what are you going to do? Then you're expecting it to continue on. You know, because they go hand in hand. Not picking the top, so knowing that the chance of you picking the top is so small. I mean, obviously, like, the better you get at it, and you can increase those chances a lot. But I'm just talking to like let's just say across all assets, to a beginner or something like that, picking the top, or an altcoin, picking the top of an altcoin, trying to short it or trying to sell at the Pico top. Like, you know, you can get some big, like, you can fluke it basically. Because if you want to sell at the top, it goes up like that. That's the top. It comes down. There's a wick like that. It looks like this. That was the end of it. It's like, well, when it's up here at the top, that's a full bar. It just looks like this. It's full bar and all the way to the top, because that's where it is right now. It's full bar. Chance of you selling the top of a full bar, man. I mean, it can happen, but it's nothing. Like, you sell, yeah, it's just broken resistance, liquidated everybody. Like, you can do it. Like, you do it, and we do it. We've done it heaps of times. I made fuckloads of videos. I'm just telling you, as a general, it's like a general rule of thumb, like, top time, man. If you're not top time, and then what are you doing? You're just expecting it to go up, continue going up until it proves to you. So I'm saying pre-being proved that it's a top. Okay? Pre-being proved. Like, for example, say maybe that was a top. For now, we're just talking about this area, this section here. That was the top there. It's like, okay, look at that daily candle close, full bar down to the bottom, below the range. Like, that's proof right there. That's it. The day ended like that, like, bro. Like, that's enough proof that the top was in there. So, like, it's a hindsight thing. It's a hindsight thing a lot of the time, but you might get the proof real early. You might get the proof. I mean, you even probably got the proof. Like, well, if we scroll back in the chat, the Bull scored the daily update on the Blockchain Bulls Telegram channel, and I'm sure, you know, probably anybody in the group, you know that it's like we're all over it and that. But I'm just saying, bro, like, this thing's done nothing but go up for a couple months. Top could be in at any moment. But if you just have the attitude that you're bullish in a bull market, you'll just really, really, really do a lot better. Do a lot better. The altcoin I'm watching. Again, toppy. Looks toppy, but it's in price discovery mode. That's what this alert is. Price discovery. It means it's never been in these highs before. Look, it's new. It's been out 2 weeks. Like it doesn't know where it belongs yet. Okay, doesn't know where it belongs yet. So it could be down here. It could belong down here. It could belong ranked 300. It could lag again. Fuck my life, bro. Sorry about the lag. About the lag. I really need to get to the bottom of that. I can't really get to the bottom of that unless I'm fucking around with it, you know what I mean? Honestly, shits me to absolute tears. So my bet, right, is that it's going to find its value, find its place. It hasn't found its worth yet. Like when it finds its worth, it finds its equilibrium. So it's like a price comes up and then comes here, and then it's like, oh yeah, ranges. That's when it's at its fair value, when it's ranging. It's not ranging yet. So it could come down here, range for a while. That's market has deemed that fair value. It's been there for a week or two. Things only been out there for a week. So things only existed for a week. So it's just a prime example of new shiny objects looking to find their value. They hold a lot of potential. A whale has accumulated 88,000 Ethereum, $180 million through multiple addresses. Imagine having 88,000 Ethereum, 180 million bucks, and getting the 5% or 6% yield on it, bro. You know, 5% or 6% yield. You're getting like 8 mil a year, just holding ETH. Potentially the best performing asset, future asset in the world. Easy to make money if you got money. BlackRock has officially filed for a spot Ethereum ETF. They're not fucking around. They're on BlackRock. This ain't no Tesla. This is BlackRock. This is the largest asset money. BlackRock basically ruled the world. $10 trillion worth of assets. They decide where they put the money. Bono, mate, what's cracking, lad? What's up? And they decide where to put the money. So it's up to BlackRock where the direction of the world really goes, to be fair. So that's it basically for a little bit of an update. Bitcoin's pumping, everything's mooning. A little squeeze of the altcoins, get a bit of base understanding, and then I'll just do the grind, the hard work nobody wants to see, and then I'll clip it, make a video out of it later, say, hey look, I told you so, back on the live. Anybody that doesn't know, this is CoinGecko's coin market cap as well. These are all the altcoins, all the crypto altcoins. It's like the footy ladder, like a rugby ladder or football ladder or whatever you want to look at. They're ranked in market cap, not in price. See, because you got ones that are $57 and it's ranked number 6, and then you've got something below it, ranked number 8 at $2 grand. So obviously they're not ranked in price, they're ranked in market cap. So you can Google what market cap is if you like, but I'll just the brief explanation is that it matters. The market cap matters because it is price times by circulating supply. So price would be the best way to judge these if they all had the same amount of coins, but they don't. They've got completely random different amounts of coins. You click on Bitcoin here, you come and you go circulating supply, 19.5 million Bitcoins getting around, floating around. Most of them, about 5 million of them are in on people's hard drives in the trash, garbage dump. So that's cool. Makes it less, makes a tighter supply. But so Bitcoin, for example, 36 grand. and it's got 19. Well, we look for two with the same market cap and then mad different prices. Would be a good example for people to see. So. If you're just coming in, we're listening to the Palestine boiler room set. Trying to trigger anybody that isn't happy about it. Just seen a couple of, like I said, boiler room set at 4, bombing at 6. Get in while we can. Make the most of that. Make the most of that road while it's there, eh? Crank it. She looks like. Actually, looks pretty fun, eh? Sorta. Like I was saying earlier, they all sort of look like they got something else on their mind. Though they're not really relaxed. Anyways, where's the live stream, bro? Where's the live streams, Brono? Where's the live streams? No winners in war, mate. So just for anybody that gave a single fuck, they're ranked on market cap, and if you look at something like Chainlink and Polygon, Chainlink and Matic, two of the most popular altcoins. They're basically 13 and 14, but the prices are drastically different. 80 cents, $13. So Polygon has 9 billion coins. So if you got 100 Polygon coins, bro, don't matter. And then Chainlink's got 500 million. So drastically different. No, drastically different. Drastically lower coins. Because so the price goes up. Okay, so circulating supply times by price equals market cap, and that's what they're valued at. So one last thing about market cap, because it's the number one thing that you got to explain to people, because they think people say Shiba. I bought Shiba or I bought Doge. So once Doge goes to $100, I'm gonna be a fucking millionaire, bro. Like there's like the chance of this going 100. If this goes to $100, I'll eat my own cock on live on live TV. That was 2017 crypto bull market. John McAfee, the guy that made McAfee Norton antivirus, he said if Bitcoin doesn't go to 100k that year, he's gonna eat his cock on live TV. Lucky for him, he died in a Guatemalan prison or something like that, so he didn't have to eat his own cock. But maybe that's how he died. Maybe that's how he died. So, but yeah. So the price doesn't matter. Price does not matter at all. It's what matters is the market cap. That's what matters. Okay. That's what matters is the market cap. So many technical difficulties. I swear to God, it just keeps coming up saying excellent connections whack, error. I'm like, man, I got like expensive computer, bro. Like, isn't that enough? So who's the biggest one? $7, 7 days tier, like we were talking about earlier. This thing just pumps, goes straight up. Look, see, scary buying something that's already up like that. But if we rewind to there, it looked the same. You know what I mean? It was only going up from there, and now it's up there, or like here. If say flash back to where the mouse is, if you can see it over here. If you look back in the past, it's like, oh yeah, that's only gone up. I'm scared to buy it now. And then look, it only went up. It's just like these things just go up, and then they stop, and then they stop. So there's one moment in time where they stop, and then they turn around. So you just got to be able to like, okay, I'm getting out of it. You know what I mean? I'm getting out of it. Just give me 1 second. It's gravy, baby. All right. So what I'm going to do now pretty much is bore the absolute living shit out of everybody and look for some trades. Look for some trades. Look for some easy money. Longs, shorts, ups, downs, this is, that's, you name it. I'm looking for it. So what did I get up to? So we just go bang. This is the other. On Tuesday we got to BSW. I'm just gonna cruise down, look through some coins, share you some alpha, spread some knowledge for free. And BSW, where do we go? BSW, and tell you how to find trades in crypto and be ahead of the curve. And then, you know, just, give yourself a fight and go, mate. Give yourself an edge. Just what you need, really, is an edge at least. You either need an edge or stupidity. That's how the crypto market works. It's like if you there's a bell curve. It's like have you seen the bell curves? Bell curve. Maybe that might do. Here we go. Oh. Bell curve meme generator. Oh, you can make your own. I might do that later. Have you seen? You can see this anyways, can't you? Surely. It's big enough. So it's like idiots, geniuses, and then everybody in between. So let's just say like how often that you're wrong, or it's sort of like inverted basically. It's like success rate. So it's like the success rate in crypto is like complete spastics that do not give a single fuck about any sort of risk management or logical pick, and just like I put everything on Shiba Inu because it's fucking sick, man. 18 cents goes to $1, and then it does. Just out of sheer luck and lack of any sort of restriction. And you've got all these people, which we've all been, including myself. Don't know about the tears. I haven't cried. I haven't cried since I was in the womb, but these are all the people that are just like doing research, looking this up, looking that up, trying to get to know the team, trying to get to know the project, the coin, understanding the tech, like trying to make sense out of their investment. Idiots. And then these people, that's us now, just realize that it's all just a sham. Nothing matters. The only thing matters is number go up. Doesn't matter how it goes up. Number go up. You know what I mean? Portfolio note go down. Portfolio go up. That's it. Doesn't fucking matter. Doesn't fucking matter how it goes up, mate. It does not matter how it fucking goes up. I can buy big tit coin. Fucking what is it? What's Steezy tell me? It's on my board here. Harry Potter, Sonic, Obama, Inu, 10x, Mike, Big Mike, finger up the ass, something like that coin, and that's an actual coin. I don't know about the end of it, but that's an actual coin. And you buy it, people buy that, they moon, they get rich. Harry Potter, it's actually a fucking alright. See, Harry Potter. I can't even say it, man. Harry Potter, Obama. I think it's the word Obama. It's such a shit word. Like, bro, like these people bought it at 1 cent, 20x or whatever, but it's like doesn't even make any sense. Doesn't have to make any sense as a website. See what I mean, bro? People made 20x their money, probably even more. Or whoever invented this shit, bro, and made the website. You accept the truth. I'm not touching this fucking website. Rank 313, right? And there'll be coins that are like rank 350, 400, 500. That have like a mint team, a good CEO, like a plan, like proper tech, like an office. like a vision, like VCs, everything they need to like do well, and they're underperforming Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Inu, 10x. The bell curve, bro. Shiny new things like this tier coin. It might not, but shiny new things like this tier coin outperform everything. Shiny new things that make no sense, and how this tier thing fits into the no sense category, right, is it's layer 0 technology. Nobody knows. The first modular blockchain network. Nobody fucking knows what that is unless you've heavily researched it, and I'm not going to do that. All I give a fuck about is charts, numbers go up, charts, numbers go up, charts. The amount of times I've seen a website look like that, they all fucking look like that, mate. Like, trust me, I read a weekly newsletter about nearly every single coin last bull market. I absolutely dove through the weeds. I got to know every single thing about that fucking thing, about these coins and what they do, what makes them tick, how much money they got. Looked at it like it was a stock, because it is a bit of a business. And then I realized that the ones like Harry Potter, Sonic, Obama, Inu, 10x outperformed it. They just outperformed it. Or Doge. That is nothing. You know, it is what it is, but that's where the power is. This is a good drop. Glenlivet, Glenfiddich. Not the Irish bath water. You can always tell too, look. This is whiskey with an E. Whiskey with an E. If there's an E in it, put it back on the shelf. What's doing over here? Whitewashing and what's he saying? Whitewashing and pink winning club. Alright, at least he knows white is right. Yet to see a hottie. They've all got big schnozzes too. Maybe I'm a descendant. All right, I'm getting into this shit anyways. So what you need to follow along is TradingView. Links in the bio if you need that. For an exchange to make a trade on, preferably ByBit. That's what I use. Links in the bio. Coinalyze website. Coinalyze is free. Don't really bother making an account. Really doesn't really matter. Oh, I like to see Bitcoin with a low funding rate, like that low in comparison to where it's been. You need Coinalyze to see who's losing money, where the money's going. That's it. You got those things and you're on. Okay. Then you get a moving average indicator, 200 day. And then what wouldn't hurt would be a G box. So go down to Garn box, and then there's my settings. Pause it if you like. I've got it upside down, but that's just because I like dragging it down, and I like the low numbers being at the top. Okay, just personal preference. You can set it how you want. So the way we roll, just to keep it easy, keep it simple, keep it streamlined, and analyze 260 altcoins in a row. We'll see how this time 9:30. We'll see how far we get, eh? Wouldn't mind chomping through a fair bit of it, but once we find a couple of trades, and then once this whiskey's gone, so are we. I like things like that, you know. I like things like that for a short, and then now I like things like this for a long. It's only just gotten above the 200-day moving average, though. See this 200-day moving average. It's not really the strongest of coins. There has been a, so you can see like the range of past times. You drag on here, you see the rectangle, and it comes down and just sort of grabs the liquidity from there, because that's where you see a lot of people put their stop losses down there. A lot of people longing their stop losses down here, and it obviously wicks it below the 200 day. Very common, very common to see. Could set an alert here, but at the end of the day, it's like it's like we're on what is that, Australian Idol, and we've just seen the first singer, and they were alright. But you've only got a certain amount of people that can get through the next round, and you don't want to go waste them because you don't know how much talent there's going to be. So just gonna leave that one. We'll leave that. We'll see how it ages. We're gonna see a lot like that too. We're gonna see a lot of coins like that. That's not too bad if you're a bull too, because like good bottom. Oh, again, CEEK. That's a good tech. Yeah, but I think the creators are greedy. They just sell non-stop. You see, it's just like they just TWAP it. They just sell non-stop. Whoever made CEEK, like, I like to go on the website. We'll just go on to see. This is why it takes me so long, man. I just get ranting. Smart CEEK, smart VR. Look, it'll sell you on the website's not here. Ooh, they exit scam or what? Have they exit scammed? Have they exit scammed? They may have exit scammed. Well, the website used to be nice. This is what I'm talking about earlier. I was like, I used to actually give a fuck about like what the website looked like and all that sort of shit. It's like then I realized anyone can make a fucking website. I made a website. Blockchainbulls.io. Go have a look. CEEK VR crypto is fucking easy. Oh, here we go. Look. Welcome to the future of digital media DeFi for creators. They actually got deals with like Lady Gaga and stuff. Apple, like Universal, T-Mobile, like as far as, and this is from 20 when it come out, because I was covering this live. Oh no, I wasn't actually. When it started mooning, 2021, October 2021, I was most likely talking about it when it started doing this, getting on the radar. You'll probably do that again. This, you can fucking sell this thing too. You can fucking sell this thing. CEEK VR. So what they do is they have virtual reality venues. And you put that on the headset and you listen to an artist at a concert on CEEK. It's a fucking good idea. It works. It will be the future. Youth basketball and cheer camp, like Lady Gaga, Demi Lovato, this dude, Daddy Yankee, Whoop Daddy Gasso. He's huge in Mexico, I've heard. Look at this shit. Experience Daddy Yankee in virtual reality. Get a little moon bag of this. This is what happened last time. This is what happened fucking 2-3 years ago on it. Whoever these people are. We'll write this down, eh? CEEK. CEEK. But as for the coin, looks shocking. Shocking. That's like a buy and like hang on for a while. Where's the weekly? We might send an alert here for like a maybe daily, 2 days. Looking for a momentum swing. If we're gonna set an alert for this thing, you want to get a momentum swing. I'll probably go the daily actually. We'll see where the 12 hours at. This is how you get alerts. Honestly, the stochastic for momentum and alerts is like the best thing that you can possibly do. For like reminders or to have a look at something. Just have a look at every time it swings into the extremes of the stochastic momentum and goes into the lows below 30. If you got the same stochastic momentum settings as me, these are obviously the alpha ones I've done. So, oh man, the amount of time that I've spent on trying to make sure, like you wouldn't think to just 3 simple settings like this, 21, 5, and 3, you wouldn't think there's much in that, but I'm telling you, fucking right now. It took me honestly that many, like 100 man hours of just testing all different numbers, all different combos to find, and this is the one. I'm telling you right now, in my opinion, this is the one. Go look at anybody else's stochastic indicator and then just be like, what the fuck? It looks like trash here though. Look at that bearish, hidden bearish operations. Oh, write a future message to yourself. CEEK. One day. Fuck it. Note to self. Anyways, daily chart. We're looking for. I'm looking for overstretched weakness. So again, you just scroll back and like start. If you just rock up or whatever. Live from the treadmill, lad. Let's go. Let's go. We're live from Palestine. Pre-bomb. This is like the last, like the night to end all nights. I don't give a fuck. I don't know anyone there. YouTube, I swear I'm already shadow banned, honestly. T Swift. You tell me exactly what to look up, and then I'll do it. I'm not gonna go around searching for T Swift, bro. Alright, I want to see weakness or strength. I want to see weakness or strength. We want the easy bets. We're cruising down. We're looking for the easy bets. We've got the daily chart, like I said, trading view, exchange, ByBit. We've got this for a bit of confluence if we need to check out what's going on. If we find something really good, go have a look. Like that looks pretty weak, but it's pretty new. Hasn't really taken much liquidity either. Bang bang. Weakness. That looks kind of weak, but it's basing. You see the range is above. The range is above the previous range. So, like what we looked at earlier, it's just like ranging, breaks up, retest. So you don't want to short here. Like you don't want to, you can short up here. You can short on some liquidity grabs on prior ranges, but you don't want to short at the bottom. You don't want to short at support. Low probability bets. Low probability bets. How's the volume going on? A lot of these altcoins look the same like they always do. Just got this range high. So like we drew again, you just draw some easy ranges. If you want to get in detail, use the G box. Use the G box, but again, range highs. These are range highs, so it could be time to short on some of these coins. But again, hey, this looks alright. See how clean this up a little bit. See how this coin, right? See how it's ranging, but it's grinding higher. Yeah, like. You can still see it's like grinding higher, and that's an ascending triangle pattern. It's actually one of the most bullish patterns there are. Highest probabilities of further higher price action. It's the grinding higher, and especially after something like that, just comes and just takes all of the longest money. The people that bet the price is going to go up, they've got stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, stop losses. Puts ting 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 ting, knocks them all out of the trade. Fresh money in there. Time to go up. You're all out. We're all in, because when they're out, when they're selling at losses, ding, 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 people are buying it from them. Yeah, so they're buying it at preferred prices that other people don't want to sell it. Ding, 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 ding. That's not too bad. CKB. That's not too bad. That looks pretty strong. It's a long way away. It's had its liquidity grab. CKB. We need to put them on short list. We'll get a short list going. We will Get a short list going. Here we go. Where I create a new list. YT live short list. Get a short list. Go bang. ByBit perp. CKB. Add to weed stocks. ByBit short list. Too bad, because like I said, we've got to find the easy ones, and we're just at the start. So compound looks fucked. I wish it didn't, but look at that. It looks fucked. Ugh. Shorts could be on, but then you'd be acting like that the bull market's not on too. So where are we? These aren't my only open trades, by the way. These aren't my only open trades, by the way. We've got, what have we got? We have, bring over here, we've got XLM and AGLD. XLM's a long, it's been in there for a while, and AGLD is a short. They're both still in there. Not big trades, just ones that we've done on live and filmed. The videos will probably come out soon. While I'm here, I might actually have a look at them for you. Have a little update, eh? XLM. Oh, we've been in this XLM trade for a while now. It's getting pretty stale. So you can see, look at this. XLM, it's a long. It's a daily chart. One candle is 1 day. So we've been in this for a long time. Bought here. Double down. Okay, don't usually like to double down, especially on this strategy. I'm probably not going to do it anymore. But yeah, this was too easy. So bought here, entered here, range low. As you can see, range lows. And then doubled down. Sold 70% at the top. This realized, so $100 at risk. Realized closed P&L. Realized 97%, so doubled the money on that. 75%, doubled the cash, and then and now we've got 26 to go. So we brought our stop loss to break even. That's where we're at. It's a good trade. It's a good trade. I'm just gonna let it ride now. See what happens. We've got the other one, AGLD. AGLD, that's a short. Very much the same. I'm not very big on either of these trades, really, to be fair. Just the first profit's been taken, so we'll just let it ride now. It's just easy. Again, on these YouTube lives, you find easy trades. We take them. Look, so short. So zoom in a little bit. Boom. Shorted there. I fucked that up, so I entered twice. Short, closed trade, short again. You can see red line was where we took it. So after the wick. And then we sold, closed the trade down here. So bought, range low, beautiful. Took profit. You can see, closed P&L. That was the one I fucked up down there. 68%. Sick as. What's going to happen now? Well, if this continues down, breaks below range, then we'll let it ride. We don't actually have take profit set because look, there's a lot of free range here. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it, and we'll stay updated. We'll keep, like I said, keep an eye on it. Keep a fucking eye on that. Cody. It's a good drop. Again, just scraping the top of the 200-day simple moving average. I don't like it when it breaks above the 200-day simple moving average and doesn't prove itself. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't like come up and just prove itself and then bounce like right here. Like I'd be far more bullish if it was there. You know what I mean? Far more. But it's just like do that. No strength, and then we look at, like, a lot of these coins look weak actually. It's sort of making me a bit Holy fuck, bro. Crypto.com. I was wondering when that was going to do something. I was wondering when that was going to do something. 135%. Whew. Wow. See this shit? See this shit? See this shit? See this shit? See that shit? See this shit? That's so bullish. See that shit? Tight bars. Just grinding up. So bullish. That's big money buying that. Big cash buying that. And then that's blow off top. Blow off top, but you wouldn't bet against it. You wouldn't bet for it. It's too high to bet for it. It's too high to bet for it. It's not in price, like it's in recent price discovery, but it's not in look at that previous, look at this previous resistance here. Serious resistance too. Serious resistance too. So it's like fucking, it's not range lows either. I've got a couple of preconceptions about this coin too, actually, so I sort of tried to stay away, to be honest. We'll just face that truth right now. Yo. Boiler room, yo. Who's she?
London, I hope you're ready.
Hey, we didn't come here for talking. Oh, let's party. Gonna move on to the next one. We'll go back out to the daily chart. Loads. Curve. There's been some good. I like that wick. I'm glad that happened. I'm glad that didn't hit us out of any trades either. I hope it didn't hit you out of any trades. I'm glad that shit happened. I'm glad that shit happened. A couple of strong coins on range low. See, below 200 day. We want a couple of strong coins on range lows. Weak as shit. Hasn't even fucking done nothing. We knew that was coming. Actually, no, we didn't. I think we shorted that. We were completely wrong on that. I swapped out of that. Again, we had the shorts the other day. That was why we took a couple. We got paid by BAT. We got paid by AGLD that we checked before. CBC. Oh, again, look at this shit, man. Look at this shit. All right. This is the easiest way. Honestly, the easiest way is to jump on the trend that's doing something like that. Just rising channel. The Chad channel. The Chad channel. Again, same shit. Not huge on it. Ugh, not enough price data really. They've all just bull trapped the fuck out of everybody. Don't get me wrong, it could base, everything could base and just continue up for another leg. Easily come up to this one. Boom. Easily. Easily. I'm looking for longs. High, low, lower high. It's actually a pretty hard market to trade. I think I was saying this on Tuesday. It's an awkward spot. It's a very awkward spot. Especially the liquidity grabs already happened. It's an awkward spot. I gotta put more of these into the watch list. Bite again. Look at this, grinding higher. When you see these like you got, okay, you got range, but the candles are grinding higher. Like the bodies of the candles are grinding higher, and then you see it coming down like that. Oh, ooh, that looks wicky. We had some alerts set for this. It's a good drop. It's not really in the mood to short anything. It's not in the could potentially be a short here, but we've got to see the candle close. And naturally bullish doge too, so naturally bullish doge. Dot. Okay. It's a bit more of a cleaner short, you know. Comes up, grabs the liquidity. It's got a bit of time below the moving average, still going down. It's got a bit of room to roll down. At least what's that? 10% ish. Room to move. This was the short right there. It could go again. Have a look at Dot. I think Dot's getting a bit too much credit too. Beat. Low open interest. Actually bullish. Funding rate pretty low. It's actually pretty bullish. Some good long liquidations. 400 grand, 600 grand, 200 grand. That's also bullish. So if we're going to short this, we want to at least put on. I would like to see it. See what's this horizontal here. Well, I'd like to see if it comes back up here. Dot. We'll suss that one out when it comes back. Oh, this is good to short this fucking thing. This piece of shit. Don't worry about me. Oh, see this wicked action, man. Alright. A lot of time you'll get a second red bar on the BBWP, Bollinger Band with percentile, so the expansions, you can see these starts opening up, volatility contracts, starts open up. And that's when you get the big moves. A lot of time will be the second red where you get the reversal. So you might actually get a fucking decent entry in DYDX for a long. It does look pretty gross and pretty scary to enter for a long. So you'd want a momentum swing. Momentum starting to turn down on the daily. It could go low, but I'd imagine it being pretty shallow on a steep uptrend like it is. So if we go and be what's the word? Compromise with an alert on DYDX for a long. We go have a look at it when the 4M momentum swing, because as you can see, there's bit of downward pressure here. If we get a trend line and you go butts up, 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 butts up. Obviously that looks fucked, but look on the rise here. Where's the rise? There we go. So you probably got another little leg down. It'll most likely find that. And what can happen when you get here is you get a lower high. If the trend's going to reverse, you can get a lower high, but you're still going to get some sort of high, most likely. Very high probability of getting another high, like a lower high or something, or it can continue up for another higher high. So either way, the high is happening once it gets to this. Most likely you'll get that, you'll get this bit at the same time as you get this bit of momentum swing. So we'll go DYDX long, and we'll just bang that in like that. We'll keep rolling on. So obviously everything's in an uptrend. I don't want, like, again, this is a good time for altcoins to turn around. A good time for crypto to sort of have a bit of a pullback. The market is strong, and I've been saying that fuckloads. Like, don't get me wrong, like, but because Bitcoin's ignore, you know, just you got to see through all the scrap here. But that's the range, the G box there. So as far as technical analysis goes and like lines on the screen, couldn't get any more easier to view than that. Basically, it's like green, you buy; red, great time to buy, or reversal. So risky, extremely good time to buy. Excellent time to buy, okay time to buy, short, so ranging, right? So it's just range of basically it's trending and ranging at the same time. Who would have thought? Maybe because trend and range would be the same thing. Oh my god. So it's like so talky like a fuckhead. So EDU, what's that? That looks toppy. That looks toppy. That looks pretty good for a short. That looks pretty good for a pullback, actually. Pretty good for a pullback, actually. EGU, what the hell's that? It's gonna be hard for open campus. How gay is that? OI change. Funny, right? It's just 0.1. Not gonna get much from that. Anyone lost any money? Not really. Not really. Probably go higher. Hard. You just gotta find the you gotta find the longs here because these shorts are. It's a good. It is not a bad spot to short, but it's also risky. It's also a risky spot to short. It's a risky spot to short. You want to get a good entry too, honestly. Like a 10% range right here from low to high, like a 10% range. So if I'm shorting, I want to be shorting up here above this line. So I'll go live EDU short, but like I said before, I want some longs. Honestly, I want some longs, man. Please give me some longs. Give me some longs. God, oh my god. Again, look at this. It just can't help itself but go higher. It's great to see, but not really right there. EGLD, that looks like it's got a lot more room to move as well. Boiling up. How do you tell the difference? I'll bring the G box in for this one. This looks like a bit more of a complex range. Bring it in, 15-minute chart. Nah, it's too close. Go to the hourly. Breaks it up. Spread the legs. Come in. G box. Pull it across. Drag it down. There you go. Oh, you've got good, excellent shorts. Excellent longs. The best possible longs that you'll get. Down here. So what do we want to know? I want excellent only if I'm long in anything like this. So just down here, let me know if you're there. What is it? EGLD long live. Got to put live in there so when I look for it through all of my alerts. Engine. So zoom back out to the daily chart. One candle equals 1 day. Zoom back out. Ooh, that looks fucked, dude. Look at that. Memories. memories. Tough beat. That bitch doesn't know what the fuck to do. She knows there's cameras there too. She's like, be there. Sick. Oh. Engine again scraping along the 200 day. I was just like, makes no. It's like no different to everything else. ENS. Thank you for the airdrop. Got about $5,000 from them, randomly. Not randomly, but I was using the Ethereum name service. I owned fuckjoebiden.eth and I let it expire. Went to put it up for auction again because it wasn't selling, and it was gone. I didn't renew it. Fuckjoebiden.eth. Gonna regret that. Not too bad for it. Usually, that's pretty good for a short. Looks weak, looks low, looks like a lower high. High, low, potentially lower high getting put in. Liquidation, above resistance, poked its head, hit the stop losses. Like that actually looks like a pretty good short. Fuck, I don't want to look at these shorts, man. And also it's like it's still grinding higher too. It looks ugly as shit, but it's grinding higher. So it's like, oh, because it's a bull market. That's why these shorts are like, that's why there's like a paradox for these shorts. It's like they look toppy, but that's what happens in bull markets. And then it just keeps going up. This is what the rest of what I was going to say. I was going to shorten it, and then too it'd be like a shit, absolute piece of trash. And I can say this because I was around in 2013 when people actually thought this was better than Ethereum. I was there, bro. Were you there, bro? See, this is what I didn't want. To put in fucking short alerts all night. I want to go with the trend. It's good having a bit of a pullback though. And look, again, I think this is all doing that at the same time. It's good everything's having a pullback too. It's a retest too as well, didn't it? Really look like it's good to look at Ethereum for like just base knowledge of how the whole market's going. We've got this massive resistance, bang, resistance, boom. Breaks through bull trap, boom, 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 bull trap, boom, and then burst through the big god candle. And now it's retesting. Now it's retesting here at that SR flip, so it's like a resistance that's been potentially turned into a support. So yeah, it's a good time to long quickly. And we haven't actually, we're up to ETH, so keep that in mind. We're up to ETH. We haven't looked at the American stock market. Green. Daily chart too. Green. So pumping. Dollar. Dumping. So on a base case scenario, this is good macro conditions for crypto to continue higher. Okay. Base case, somewhat correlated. So I want longs. Damn, that's grinding higher, isn't it? Bet. That's the entry. That's the entry that you want. Yeah, actually, we're not gonna get any hard to get good entries right now. It's not the time. Sometimes, hey, look, we've been on streams before where it's just like, hey, that's nice. That's happening. That's on. But like that's happening now, but the chances of a good trade being around when you want it to be around, this is where most people fuck up. They don't set alerts. They want to trade now, so they take the trade now. Look at a coin or look at an asset, anything, stocks, gold, whatever you want, and look at, and then set an alert for your best case. And if you set like 20 alerts, 20 best case scenario alerts, one of them's going to go off. And then you're going to get a best case scenario entry. Sleep on that one. That's what separates us from them. That shit. Fuck, that's fucked. That shit, bro. God. Crazy, yeah, because we were live streaming being like everything's bottoming, and then a couple of little longs. Trying to work out how to do it on film, bro. Come on. Got enough altcoins, spot bags. I'm talking just like for the. Yeah, again, we just keep like we're looking for, like we always say, we're looking for anomalies. We're looking for anomalies, like little things that are like doing different sort of shit. While long 5. Wait, that's short. Yeah, don't want to be looking for shorts, but hey, look. Where the altcoin market is right now is like might have like one more leg up, or this is time, or it's time for a pullback. See this sort of shit, like you got daily chart, you got momentum resetting daily. So if this just goes sideways while this resets, then it's up. But if this continues down while this resets, then this will turn into like low, high, higher, low. Yeah, so higher, low, and it probably needs a bit of time for more retail to get involved. Because like if you're watching this, and were you around for the last 2 years every day? Were ya? No, you weren't. So you just, well, I don't know. If you're in the blockchain bulls, but you're probably worse. You're probably worse. But if you wasn't, then you know people like you are all starting to get the message, get the letter via Raven. Yuck. That's a good short. Bro, I'm like fucking, I'm like perma bull, but all I see is shorts. I am a paradox. Yes, that's a sick short. Look at this range too, it's so gross. It's fucking huge. 100% range, bro. 100% range. Where's the momentum swing to the upside? This is where you don't get greedy. You go horizontal line, you take this to 70, you go boards, you go 1 hour. 1H short live. If I find one more short, I'm going to log off. Making me less bullish. Hello? Too bad. They all sort of look the same. Again, still sort of just doing this and doing it again. A little bit of a breather, which is good. But I want to see like performance, bro. I want to see outperformers on a pool. I want to see overperformers on an extended secondary trend. So it's like a correction. So like overperforming bulls, like overperforming longs, like trades that are just looking super bullish, like they're having an overextension, an unnecessarily big correction, like pull back because maybe people are too like high leverage. Like, oh my god, I'm yawning anymore. Who's got gas? Who's gassy? That's insane, bro. I was talking about that tier shit. 800%. When this bases, we'll keep an eye on this for next time, eh? I'm gonna finish the G's and then we'll piss off. I reckon. I'm feeling a bit like feeling a bit failed right now because I haven't found what I was looking for. Haven't really found what I was looking for. Nah, man. Looks toppy, but not touching that, man. That'll come down so hard. That'll come down like a ton of fucking bricks, mate. When it does so. Ooh. That's looking a bit more like what we were talking about earlier. GMT, the fucking running coin. Alright. I'd hate to long this, but I'm listening. It wants to pull back heavily. We'll take its number. And we might call it later on the 1 hour. This is something that I wouldn't mind getting a good entry on. GMT looks strong, looks powerful. Wants to come down a little bit more probably. 6 hour. Oh, it's all hidden bullish divergence. The RSI is looking so good, so healthy. It's down to 40 on like in a range high. It's down to 40. It's fucking sick. Risky. What I'm thinking right now is like, do you want to miss out or not? I will need to look a little bit further into this GMX. Hopping. Come back for some more liquidity. Hopping. Add these AGLD. And hell yeah. It's just such scammy price action, eh? Make things look like pretty average coming into the weekend, and then let everybody like panic sell over the weekend and just charge all next week. Probably what you'll see. Oh, open interest so low. That's awesome. Everyone's getting sick of this. Funding rate's starting to go heavily down on the predicted. It's nice. That's what I want to see. Liquidations. That a bit. Standard 20k, 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 40k, 50k. All right, so the next GMX swing low, we want to have a look at it. So 1 hour is at its lows. So I need to find the medium where it's going to find its next 6 hour trigger. That's going to be in its lows regardless. So that's why I need to go a little bit further out, a little bit higher. I hate going on the 8 hour, but we'll do it because that's the one that's going to find the bottom at a reasonable time. Yeah, we'll finish on the G's, eh? Finish on the G's. Volatility, expansion, income, 8 hours. GPT, chat GPT. It's getting short, overly shorted. GPT. It's obviously going to be a scam. Crypto GPT, chat GPT, it's crypto GPT. It's fucking scam. You have no backbone. There's nothing behind it at all. Nothing going to be behind it. GPT. Even know which one is it? Moving on here. It's not even lemon. I don't think it's that. That's AI. I think it's AI. It's a complete scam. No thanks. No thanks, bro. That's fucked. It's just starting to look pretty toppy. It's just starting to look pretty toppy. That's for sure. Imagine if these old coins weren't actually topping. Weren't actually, the bottom wasn't in. Imagine if the bottom wasn't in. Holy fuck. Imagine if the bottom wasn't in. Nobody's thinking that right now either. Oh my god. The bottom's not in. Imagine if the altcoin bottom wasn't in. Maybe this piece of shit. Alright, let's fuck off. Alright, that'll be sweet. That'll be good. HBAR. I love these double bottoms. They are low, high, low, like well and truly put in on the daily macro level. That's a good range too. It's taking liquidity from the top side. Shorts are fucked. It needs to take some more liquidity from the bottom side. Bit of equal play going on. I didn't want to go through these, but I wouldn't mind seeing HBAR for a long too. HBAR live long. Alright, we've got a few alerts set. I'd rather the long ones get hit. We'll see what happens with the market. Peace and love. Peace to Palestine. And we will peace to Palestine and the Jews. We'll talk soon. We'll see you on the next one, hey? Take it easy, Eddie. Stop.